How to price your SEO services. One of the trickiest parts of SEO isn't actually anything to do with securing your clients great results or even to do with keeping up with Google's many updates. Instead, it's deciding how much to charge your clients and how to price your SEO services. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about pricing your SEO services. We'll cover scalability considerations, pricing models you can consider, and how to build your SEO packages. An introduction to SEO pricing. Typical monthly spend on SEO can run anywhere between $100 per month to $50,000 per month at the high end. It's a wide open field with scope for every budget. The global SEO market size is expected to reach $122 billion in 2028. In such a wide open field, it's really up to you who you choose to target for your SEO services. When determining your pricing, you want to first understand your client's motivation. Typical client motivations tend to be they're interested in increasing their rankings, they understand the benefit of generating more traffic, they're focused solely on revenue return on investment, or they're concerned or scared that they're missing out. When determining your pricing, you should consider your client's motivation, as this will help you decide on the KPIs and measurables you base your pricing on. You can also consider the type of customer they are. A more relaxed client might require less bespoke work and be charged less as a result. A discerning or demanding client might need more bespoke work, which incurs a higher charge. Choose your pricing model. There are several different potential pricing models that you can use for your SEO services. The most common models are hourly and daily. Hourly and daily rates tend to be used by individuals, with daily rates being particularly popular for consultants. The model fits consultants as it doesn't typically allow enough time to actually implement the suggestions made. Instead, over an hourly or daily session, the consultant lays out actions that the site owner can then implement themselves. Monthly. Monthly rates are used by those looking to set up a retainer model and can be very popular for scalable agencies. The reliability of an ongoing monthly retainer provides peace of mind for the agency with consistent, reliable revenue. For the client, the monthly model gives peace of mind that the agency will be available whenever they need them. It also leaves scope for larger scale actions to be implemented by the agency and allows rapport to build up between the client and the seller. Project-based. Project-based pricing provides a defined endpoint for the services and a specific deliverable for the client, which can easily be tracked as the project progresses. This can allow for both quick projects and more in-depth consultations. Unfortunately, it can be a little tricky to price individual projects if you're taking a bespoke approach. You need to be very confident to be able to appropriately price and timeline a per project pricing model. Deliverables only. This is the model FATJOE uses, as we have productized all of our services into deliverable only pricing. The advantage of this model is that it's super scalable. You are selling set units, making your deliverables easily repeatable. It also helps scalability, as you can easily onboard new team members with clear practices in mind as you expand. The downside is that this model doesn't allow for bespoke options. If you allow for changes, you'll lose sight of the scalability the model thrives on. Finally, we have performance-based pricing. This is a high-risk, high-reward model. For the client, they have the absolute win of a no-win, no-fee style pricing point, which should give them absolute confidence. The downside for the agency is that SEO is damn hard and wildly unpredictable. Setting your pricing on results opens you up to potential failure, even with your best efforts. Secondly, it can be tough to properly assess the value of any given rank increase. Handily though, tools like our SEO value calculator exist to help with this. Build your SEO packages. By far the most popular way to deliver SEO services is in a package-based model. Assuming you opt for package-based services, you should build your SEO packages and SEO pricing based on the level of service you can provide in each of these 6 key areas. Technical SEO. This can encompass everything from exporting basic tool reports and implementing small fixes at the low end to full-on user behavior reports, technical strategies, and extensive improvement work at the high end. Strategy. At the low end, this is basic keyword targeting, while at the high end, this will be long-term strategies with bespoke client goals. On-page. On-page services vary from basic keyword optimization with simple reports all the way up to extensive EEAT optimization, SERP feature optimization, and tailored persona targeting. Content. At the low end, content services will offer short articles with average quality. At the high end, the content will be written by expert writers using thorough and specialized briefs ready for cross-channel repurposing. Off-page. Off-page services range from low-level link building on low-authority sites all the way to in-depth outreach strategies targeting high-profile, high-impact links from niche-relevant sources. Reporting and communication. At the basic level, reports will provide basic summaries of simple things like rankings and traffic. At the high end of services, reports will use custom templating to demonstrate bespoke KPIs, clear ROI projections, and more. Any good SEO package will include some mixture of these elements, priced appropriately using one of the models we explored earlier. And there you have it, an introduction to SEO pricing models and package creation. Want to learn more about how to consider the basis of your pricing along with other important pricing factors? Check out our full post on the FATJOE blog, along with our other great guides and content. Prefer videos like these? Don't forget to like and subscribe to the FATJOE YouTube channel for more actionable SEO tips and agency advice.